Are you having problems with not being able to hear stream on your Discord mobile app? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. Because if you like miss out on some of these steps that I'm going to show you, well then probably this will not work, just so you know. So it is very important that you stick until the end and try all of these steps. And the first step is going to be quite simple. You need to firstly go into your Discord mobile application. And now, like, this might sound a little bit like too easy, I guess, but you need to check, of course, that your volume is actually enabled on your mobile. So check if you do have any like volume on your mobile. And now, when you're sure that you do, well, then perfect. Then we can proceed to the step number two if it's still not working. The step number two is going to be for you to close your Discord app and then go into the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. Then in here, we're going to search for Discord. So search for Discord in here, scroll down and click on Discord. And as you can see, I have this blue button in here where it says update. It is very important that you do click on that update button if you have it, because if you don't, then that means that you don't have the latest like version on your Discord application, and that might be the reason why you're not able to hear stream on your Discord mobile app basically. But now when you have updated your Discord to the latest version, just go back into your Discord app again and then basically try again, and hopefully this will solve this issue for you. So let me know in the comments below maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.